This lesson covers regular imperfect subjunctive Portuguese conjugations. All regular Portuguese verbs have one of three endings. They are AR, ER, or IR verbs. There is an exception for the irregular verb por and its derivatives such as impor and supor. So each group of verbs have their own conjugations or verb endings, depending on the tense, mood, and subject being used. The Portuguese subject pronouns are eu, tu, ele, ela, você, o senhor, a senhora, nós, vós, eles, elas, vocês, os senhores, as senhoras. Você and tu are both singular informal versions of you, and the second person plural pronoun vos is archaic and rarely used. Você is often used to replace tu, and it almost always replaces vos due to the latter being obsolete for the most part. And the endings for the singular pronouns você, o senhor, a senhora, ele, and ela are identical, and the endings for the plural pronouns vocês, os senhores, as senhoras, eles, and elas are identical. Under the imperfect subjunctive as well as the future subjunctive, we take the second and third person plural preterite form of the verb, we remove the aram, eram, or iram ending, and to that stem we add the respective imperfect subjunctive or future subjunctive endings. Now for regular verbs, this is the same as simply removing the infinitive ending. The imperfect subjunctive endings for AR verbs: hace, haces, hace, hacemos, hacéis, hacem. Falar is a regular verb, so all we have to do is remove the AR ending to obtain the imperfect subjunctive stem fal. And to this we add the imperfect subjunctive endings afterwards: falasse, falasses, falasse, falacemos, falaceis, falacem. The imperfect subjunctive endings for ER verbs: esse, esses, esse, essemos, esseis, essem. Comer is a regular verb, so all we have to do is remove the ER ending to obtain the imperfect subjunctive stem com. And to this we add the imperfect subjunctive endings: comesse, comesses, comesse, comessemos, comesseis, comessem. The imperfect subjunctive endings for IR verbs: isse, isses, isse, issemos, isseis, issem. And decidir is also a regular verb, so all we have to do is remove the IR ending to obtain the imperfect subjunctive stem decide. And to this we add the imperfect subjunctive endings: decidisse, decigisses, decidisse, decidissemos, decigisseis, decidissem. With that, we have covered regular Portuguese verb conjugations under the imperfect subjunctive. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.